I'll be demonstrating how to clean the sensor of medium format Pentax 645Z or Z. For this purpose, we are using a different cleaning solution from VisibleDust. And the first cleaning solution, which is alcohol-based with blue cap, is called VisibleDust Plus. And then second one is water-based cleaning solution, which is important to remove saliva-based stain. It's general use cleaner called Sensor Clean with green cap. The last one is for removal of tough stain from the sensor. It's called Smear Wave with the red cap. Also, we'll be using VisibleDust 42 millimeter, which is made for Pentax 645Z. It is made for the length of the sensor, so not the width of the sensor. So for this reason, we place the camera 90 degrees to this position, because instead of going up and down, which is very difficult to do, we turn the camera 90 degrees in order to make the left-right or right-left swabbing. Also, we'll be using mini quasar, because mini quasar can reach deeper chamber and to visualize the deeper area of the chamber which sensor is placed. In this demonstration, we'll be using Z-ion. I highly recommend to use Z-ion because it has double filter and it is one-way air intake, which is only from the back, not from the nozzle area. Also, it has embedded particles which produces ionic charges which remove static charges from the sensor. So before we start, make sure the camera is full, the battery is fully charged. And if you hear any beep, that means the battery is running out of charge, so stop right there. So in order to start, we have to make sure there's nothing on the sensor. So in order to do that, we just turn the camera upside down and we blow a couple of puffs in order to remove any microscopic gravels or quartz from the sensor. I put a sort of pad form here not to scratch the screen. So once the camera is placed like that, I like to start with sensor cleaning because that's general purpose cleaning and it's good for saliva removal. So we are going to place some liquid, 1, 2, 3, probably 4 or 5 drop. We allow a little bit of time for saturation to take place. Once the saturation taken place, we go inside. So we gently roll over and we gently take the swab out. If you want to go for the second time, you turn the swab 180 degrees. Again, you enter the chamber area gently. You go along the edges. Make sure it's just placed on the edge. And then you do the same swabbing in the same direction. You take the swab out. And you do inspection with mini quasar. And if the sensor is clean, you stop right there. Thank you.